not red, it's orange or ginger. Yeah.
And what else? She said your hair is so ugly.
Uh-huh.
More rubbish.
That's so cool.
You broke your promise.
Blue, red, morning, green, yellow, blue, red, and red like a house.
Why you see a red house? There's no red house.
Oh, that's red. Red. It's red. It's not red. It's orange or ginger.
Ginger,
The brown.
orange.
Brown. Oh, what?
I will give everything I own and give up my life, my heart, my home. And I will give everything I own just to have you. Mystery. Alis na ako mga kachika, magsusudok sa mga bata. Nandito yung pang taekwondo ni Alina, saka yung pang snacks nila, ng mga bata. Alis na tayo. Hindi na ako nagbihis kaya hindi man tumadumi yung damit ko.
And I fell down like that.
You had fun day,
Mama,
Alina as
I
well.
want to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
When I do PE, when we jump the bag and I jump and I fall down.
Mm.
The people my classmate, they said, "Go, Lisa." They said that to me.
Oh, Elisa.
What you doing your PAB?
There's how to explain is
What did you say when she said your hair is ugly?
she said to me, "Why my hair is so knotted?" She
And
said,
then what else she say?
"Why my hair is so ugly?"
She said your hair is so ugly.
And why my hair is so messy?
She said
Yeah.
why your hair is so messy? Why your hair is so knotted? That's what she said?
Yeah.
And what else? She said your hair is so ugly.
Uh-huh.
If she say that again to you, you tell her because you're ugly. Because you are ugly too. You tell her, yeah? If she say something bad to you, you have to fight back, yeah? Alisa, you understand?
I want the...
Okay. Get the remote and put it there. I check the door, make sure na nalock ko siya. Mr. at saka si Alina mga kachika nandoon. Sabit ko na mga ka. Kalimutan ko pala yung narito ko na. Yung top. Who you are, what you did, as long as you love me, ooh.
Yep.
Okay, wait.
Let's eat that.
I'm gonna put this away because it's too much there, and the other one I'm going to wash it. The pink one I wash this and then I put this away. Ito ba?
And that?
I'm gonna wash this one and then I put it away. Kasi sinuot to ni Alina eh. I-wash ko to sa... Kasi pwede man itong i-wash mga kachika. I-wash ko yan and then Tingnan ko yan siya. I-hand wash ko ba sa machine? Ito din na kasi ito. Ayaw niya ito. Suotin yung mga ganito. Pwede pa ba ito eh? Pwede pa yata ito pamigay. Kasi yung iba pinamigay ko yung mga coat dito si Alisa. Na pwede pa magamit mga kachika. Pinamigay ko siya sa ibang mga Pinay dito. Ano ba sa group. Ito okay pa ito. Pang anong size ba nito? Hindi na ito makasya kaya 5 years old. Hindi na ito makasya kaya by the time na mag-winter ulit dito. This year. Hindi na siya magkasya. Pamigay ko na yan. Hindi ko dito tapong kasayang no? Ang ganda pa naman ito. Kaso kay ano ito? Kay Alina. Tapos pasa kay Alisa. Hindi na kasya ngayon sa kanya. Nagsumbong ni Alisa sa akin daw kasi sabi daw ng classmate niya daw, sinabihan daw siya na why your hair daw is so messy, why your hair is so knotted, why your hair is so ugly. Ano daw sabi ko, kapag siguro sabi niya ugly kasi magulo yung buhok niya dahil marami pa kasi siya mga baby hair, hindi talaga siya lahat same ba yung tubo, kaya magulo palagi tingnan. So anyway, ayan, sabihan ko, pag magsabi sa'yo ng ganito, ganyan, sabihin mo din na dito. Actually, pangalawang beses na yan, last time din nagsumbong din niya sa akin na same din yung bata na yan, na sinabihan daw siya na, basta may sinabi din yun sa kanya mga kachika, nagsumbong siya sa akin. So yung mga bata na pag magsumbong sa atin, hindi naman yan yung gawa-gawa lang ng istorya, di ba? Alam ko yan yung ano na, ayan, hindi yan siya, yung mabait na ano ba, bata. Hindi yan pala away. Sabi niya ng teacher, pag may, ayaw niya yung mga, alam niya yung parang magulo na mga bata, umiiwas daw yan siya. Yan yung sabi ng teacher niya. Nagawa ko ng puto. Kaya ano sana ba yung puto? Kasi matagal niya na ito nire-request talaga. Tapos meron akong ano dito. Meron ako ito, bigay ito ni ate sa akin na Filipina. Ito, pandan. Ang bango pala ng pandan, no? Yan. You change already?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Mom, go play something.
Are you going to play? Okay, I'm gonna make the photo, yeah?
Mom, I wanna do it. Do you got the green colourful?
I get color green.
Huh?
I got green.
Green?
Green, yeah.
Green?
Yeah.
Where you get it from?
From auntie.
Auntie.
Yeah. From
Which auntie?
auntie up.
Sour.
Can I make this fish and then you're gonna eat your soup, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, you go play first and then I call you. Is your sandals in there?
Where?
In the front door. Okay, then.
Right there?
In the front ba? One cup, 1/2 cup sugar. Parang daming asukal, no? Ano ka sugar? Ano ka water?
Hey, Pop.
Okay, go.
Can you hold it?
Look like it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
Then butter. Wala akong lunch mga kachika. Late na kasi ako kaya nag-breakfast. Tapos after ako mag-breakfast, siguro nag-breakfast ako mga 11 o'clock na. After ako nag-breakfast, yun yung naghiga-higa ako. May pasok din kasi ako bukas. Ngayon lang yung day off ko. Tapos bukas arangkada na naman.
I did a lot.
Put some more. Is that enough, babe? Put more. And this one as well. Put white on that one.
This one,
Mm.
that one, the
Let
one.
me see. We mix it white, green, and chocolate.
Oh yeah,
3 flavor, yeah?
let's do it. Let's do this. Let's
Okay,
do
you
it.
mix it now. Put
Wait,
some
let's mix
white
it.
now. Uy, put the white ba? Hindi siya interested sa may may naglagay pa pala ako ng chocolate mga kasi meron akong meron kami mga chocolate ba na pinagbubuksan lang tapos hindi na nakain. I select the green. I got more there, white as well.
And you just gonna come,
Mm.
have some.
Parang ang lambot na white. Ano lang ito? Chocolate. Nakadalawa na ako. You like the green, no? Same green for Alina, yeah?
Okay.
Let her try.
Okay, some white ones for Nina.
And green one as well, maybe. she
Mama,
wants
it's
it.
will burn.
No, I'm gonna have a look. I'm gonna put some more.
My tongue is green.
Is it?
That white one again. One more white one.
Check more one. Hindi, good no. Which one you like? The green or the white?
Both.
Both.
I'm gonna say the green one for Nina and the chocolate one.
Yeah. Okay, you eat one.
One? Okay. And I have the white one for Nina.
You talk when you might, okay?
The best is this and this. This and this.
Where is the big one? Now then, try the chocolate one.
So that's for Nina's. The best is this. This is for Nina. And I eat the green myself.
You're gonna save both for Alina?
Uh-huh.
Who you? Who you? Who you? Who you? Where's daddy?
Yes, I really want that.
More rubbish.
That's so cool.
You broke your promise.
What's that?
You said you're not gonna buy this week because you bought that one last week.
Oh,
Yeah, you want green photo?
I broke my promise.
Yeah,
Did I say that?
yeah. You said that you're not going to buy again this week.
I did.
Okay, para mag-brush your hair.
Okay.
Take off your hair tie and then brush your hair.
Mama, glue in
Oh, it's
the-
wrong way around.
Ow!
Oh. Okay, sorry. Makapal na yung buhok ni Alisa. Kasi marami pa siyang mga baby hair. Just started. Mga anak ko, nagmana din talaga sa kanya na sa akin ba na nihit ba yung buhok ba mga kachika ba? Pero dati kasi nung bata pa ako din ganito. Hilig ako gupitan ni nanay na panglalaki. Parang panglalaki yung gupit ko noon. Laging naiksi yung buhok ko. Kasi manipis nga yung buhok ko. Kaya laging tinitrim ni nanay. Tinagupitan. Tara na, be! O, tara na rin na, isa. Down there.
Hot loads now.
So you're using a container. I use that container for something. Like gravy. So I cannot use that now.
I'll bring it to school. I'm just putting it in a container. Then when I finish it, I'll put it back.
No, you cannot put that back now because you play with that. So it's okay. I'm gonna buy new ones.
There we go. There we go.
Okay. That's it. Okay, give me kiss and hug now.
I'm gonna look. Can I draw a flower?
Yeah, you draw a flower.
It's like a whiteboard. Pens. I have whiteboard. Like
No.
in school.
No, I don't buy that one. I just buy them crayons, stuff like that, because we have a lot of coloring books, so we need some crayons.
Some outside on our side. I want markers. Can I draw the face? Got
I
loads
think I
now.
got markers as well. Okay, so good night. Get into bed now. Good night. I
Good
love you.
night. See you till
Tomorrow.
after school.
Yeah. Yeah, after school. I'm working tomorrow morning, so daddy gonna take them to school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Late.
so,
I know we're gonna be late.
good night mga kachika. Thank you all for watching. Keep safe. God
Thank
bless.
you.
Sige, lie down.